Welcome to Tangram Fun. Today we are going to discover amazing shapes and puzzles. Do you know? With just 7 shapes, you can create hundreds of fun pictures. It's called a tangram. A tangram has 7 special shapes: two large triangles, one medium triangle, two small triangles, one square, and one tricky parallelogram. With these 7 pieces, you can create amazing pictures. Let's make our own tangram. Grab a ruler, pencil, eraser, felt tip pen, scissor, and a sheet of paper. Ready? Let's start. First, draw a big square on your paper. You can make it 4 inches or 8 inches wide. Now, inside the big square, draw a smaller grid. Use your ruler to make equal squares like a mini checkerboard. Now, using your felt tip pen, draw a diagonal line from the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Now, from the center of the top side, draw a diagonal line down to the middle of the left side. Draw a diagonal line from the bottom right corner of the grid, passing through the center of your first line, and stop at your second line. Now draw a line from the point where the second line meets the top. Go through one square and connect it to the first line at the bottom right corner of the grid. Now draw a line from the point where the second line meets the top. Go through one square and connect it to the first line at the bottom right corner of the grid. Erase the grid lines gently, then cut along the lines to separate your tangram pieces. Now you have your very own tangram puzzle ready to play with. Color your tangram pieces and get creative. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll make fun shapes with your tangram pieces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Learners for more learning fun.